Good evening, everyone. My name is Nikita Aulia with student number 123321224.
My name is Arvindo Brian with student number 123231243.
Hello everyone, my name is Gusti Satrio Pamungkas with student number 123231242.
My name is Aulia Amanda Putri with student number 123 231 and 240.
My name is Syafa Nur Anindia with student number 123 231 220.
My name is Gabriel Romasio Sibuya with my name 123 231 and 5.
My name is Alicia Sabila with student number 123231212.
Okay, and tonight we are going to do a presentation about element of reflection exploring tone and mood in epitaph by Forrest Gender. We are going to do introduction first.
Okay, the poem Epitaph by Forrest Gender presents a deep reflection on loss and internal memories. Using simple but meaningful language, this poem describes feelings of grief that are not only personal, but also describe the universal human experience of death. Through a melancholic tone and reflective atmosphere, Gender leads readers to reflect on human relationship and the transience of life. This poem will discuss how Gender used tone and atmosphere to create poetry that is full of emotion and touches the heart.
Ternyata poetry deadline-nya Jumat, Dir.
Jumat kemarin.
Jumat besok nanti.
Masih lama.
Iya, tutupannya nggak
Next is the methodology. First is the contextual research. So the research Forrest gathers thematic, focuses, and poetic style to understand how epitaph fits within his broader body of work. Second is comparative reflection. Compare the tone and mood in epitaph with Nader Eliak or reflective works by Gender or similar poets to identify patterns and unique elements. The second is pay attention to the language choices, structure, and emotional depth. How does Gender handle the balance between personal mourning and universal reflection?
Okay guys, next I want to explain about literature review. So first, Gender epitaph reflect on loss, memory, and morality inspired by the death of his wife. Poet C.D. Reich, using a fragment, syntax, and vivid imagery, Gender connected personal grief to broader existential themes. His sparse, evocative style creates a meditative tone, blending intimate sorrow with universal reflection on a life impermanences.
Iya.
Guys.
Kaki gue digigit nyamuk.
Okay, next is expected findings. Forrest Gunner's poem Epitaph explores the theme of grief and existential reflection through its complex tone and mood. The poem just exposed the intimate experience of loss with broader existential questions, employing vivid imagery to convey emotional depth. Gunder's language oscillates between lyrical beauty and raw vulnerability, creating a haunting atmosphere that resonates with the reader's own experience of mourning. The interplay of darkness and light, as well as the tension between presence and absence, underscores the poem's elegiac quality, inviting contemplation on the nature of existence and memory.
Okay, I will present about methodology. The first is close reading and annotation. It's highlight key phrases and words words that evoke strong emotion or imagery. Focus on how language choices and contribute to tone and mood. And the second is the diction and imagery analysis. Examine word connotation and the imagery used in the poem. Identify specific description that convey the emotional atmosphere and the speaker's attitude. And then speaker's perspective. Identify the speaker's relationship to the subject. How does their perspective shape the tone? And then the last is mood assessment. Is reflect on the emotional impact on the poem on the reader. Consider how the imagery setting and tone collectively create the mood.
Sama juga sih aku pakai yang sweater hampir tadi sebenarnya.
Okay, the last one is expected conclusion. Forest Gander explores memory and loss in epitaph, evoking a mixture of tenderness and melancholy. The tone conveys acceptance of life's transience while reflective. The tone invites readers to reflect on their personal loss experiences in a peaceful setting. Ultimately, the poem honors love and the ways in which we preserve memories rather than merely focusing on grieving.
Okay, that would be all from us. We are focusing on the tone and the mood in Epitaph by Forrest Gender because it is really interesting for us to read. So because that will be our last point for tonight. Thank you guys so much for listening. Bye bye.
Bye.